Hi, Jason here. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to fix and prevent 99% of all septic tank problems. So, what causes septic tank problems? Let me show you. So, this is what a typical septic tank and soakaway looks like. Now, over time, fat, grease and sludge starts to build up inside the septic tank. And once this sludge reaches a certain level, it will then start to make its way down the outlet pipe. And from the outlet pipe, all the fat and the grease and the sludge will start to make its way deep into the soakaway. And before long, this fat and grease and sludge will completely clog and block up your entire soakaway system. Now, at this point, you normally have two options. Option 1, jetting or rodding. Now, sometimes if debris such as sanitary towels or baby wipes get stuck in a pipe, rods are great for dislodging this debris and unblocking the pipe. But because fat, grease and sludge are semi-liquid, the drainage rod will just poke straight through it, making it impossible to unblock the pipes this way. Now, the other popular method is jetting, and many septic tank emptying firms have jetting equipment on their lorries and offer to blast high-powered water into the soakaway to try and unblock these pipes. Now, again, this sounds like a good idea, but in reality, it does more harm than good. Now, soakaway pipes are all surrounded by soil, so when high-powered water is blasted into them, the fat, the grease and the sludge just get compressed, making the original problem even worse. Option 2, septic tank emptying. Now, to try and remove the blockages and smells, many people get their septic tank sucked out, and whilst this sounds like a good idea, it doesn't really fix the problem. Let me explain why. Although the wastewater inside the tank is sucked out, the fat and the grease and the sludge which is causing all the blockages is still stuck in all the pipes that lead to and from the soakaway, and this sludge will continue to clog and block up the entire soakaway system. And because of this, the whole process will start all over again. Within a few days, the septic tank will fill up again with stagnant wastewater and start to smell. And at £200 each time to get the septic tank emptied, this method can soon start to become quite an expensive option. Option 3 is an amazing solution that will fix all your septic tank and soakaway problems. Soakaway worms are an incredible, safe, clean, natural and organic solution. Worms have been around for thousands of years, breaking down and converting waste into safe, clean, organic matter. Soakaway worms will not only unblock your soakaway from all the fat and the grease and the sludge, but they'll also keep it clean, preventing your septic tank and soakaway from ever developing problems again. Soakaway worms come in a large bucket. Simply take the lid off the bucket and tip the entire contents into the septic tank. The worms will then sink to the bottom of the tank, landing on top of the sludge, and very quickly these worms will adjust to their new surroundings and will start burrowing and working their way into the fat and the grease and the sludge, and they'll start breeding and multiplying. Now, from there, these worms will make their way deep into the main arteries of the soakaway, reaching into all the nooks and the crannies and the areas that rodding and jetting just cannot get to. As the worms eat all the fat and the grease and the sludge, they'll start cleaning and unblocking the sludge and the waste from the soakaway pipes, allowing the wastewater in the soakaway pipes to start flowing freely once again, enabling it to drain away naturally through the soakaway and into the topsoil. Soakaway worms will also save you hundreds of pounds in septic tank emptying costs. Because they eat all the fat and the grease and the sludge in the septic tank, you never need to get it emptied again because there's no sludge left to suck out. Soakaway worms unblock soakaways. Soakaway worms prevent blockages from ever occurring again. Soak-away worms will save you thousands in repairs and septic tank emptying costs. Soak-away worms are easy to install and are a one-off treatment. Soak-away worms also come with a lifetime guarantee.